This is the sheet I created so you can figure out exactly what you need for the shims on your bike. Right here under intake valves we have minimum spec and maximum spec. Our minimum is 0.13. Our maximum is 0.19. Our exhaust, our minimum is 0.25. Our maximum is 0.31. When we measured the left intake valve, we had 0.02, we were guessing. When we measured the right intake valve, we had 0.10. When we measured both of the exhaust valves, we had 0.28 on both of them. So these are in spec, we don't have to worry about our exhaust valves. Now, when we pulled the cam off and we looked at the shims that were in here, the left shim was a 1.6. Our right shim was a 1.75. Now this shows us what we need to do to get this right is to change it to a 1.43, but you'll see here that we say we need to round this up, so we're going to go to a 1.45. Then over here it says we need to go to a 1.66. We're actually going to go to a 1.65 because it is so close. I think that's what we need to do. Down here I've got inch to millimeter conversions. So for instance, if you were looking to convert 0.012 inches to millimeters, that would come out to 0.3 millimeters. And likewise standard to metric. And likewise metric to standard, so millimeters to inches. So 0.3048 is going to come out to the same 0.012 in inches. There's instructions here on the sheet itself, and there's a link to the YouTube channel. Down here on the bottom, if you're doing this on a multiple cylinder engine like a sport bike, you can set it up for each cylinder. So they'll all work independently. See, we set that one up on cylinder 4, but you could do 1, 2, 3, 4 and have different variables in each one of them. There's a link to save the sheet in the description of this video.